We're at the strip mall. I don't know what it's called, but it's at the intersection of Golf and Skokie, and it's got a Bob's and a Burlington, but it's also got a parking deck with an elevator, which is why I'm here. It's an automatic elevator. Orchard Place. It's Orchard Place. All right. It's got the bumper. Somebody sharded on the ceiling. That's a nice touch. Sorry. It's one-handed camera work, so it's a little shaky. Shopping center roof parking. Wow, very creative name. Automatic. All right, let's go up. That's actually a pretty decent motor. There's, if you care about what a parking lot looks like. Never seen one of those before, huh? This thing's got a pretty nice audible motor to it. Let's listen to it from the outside. Demonstrate the bumper too. All right, let's listen to it. It's probably this door. Oh no, it's this, probably, one of the doors. Let's see. Nice. That's it.